Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this set of four foldable patio chairs that they can be like indoor chairs if you want as well. But I think that these are really good for the patio just because they are made of mesh. They're also foldable, and each one of these ones with this really nice metal frame supports 220 pounds. But I do like they're made of this really nice elastic and firm mesh, meaning that you can leave them outdoors if you want. Actually, it just started raining, so I'm gonna try to haste a little bit because if not, I'm gonna just like get wet. But these ones, as I was saying before, all foldable, set of four, comes in multiple colors. Even the black ones, I really like how nice they are, and kind of like they're coated as well. So the black is kind of like a super strong black. So that's a really nice decoration as well. If you are wanting to leave them outside, like in your dining table, in your table outdoors or something like that, like the one that I have in there, I have 8 chairs there, but I also have a separate table which I can use with these 4 chairs and just do some smaller thing, just not putting the big table or something like that. But I want you to show them in a closer look so you can see them better. So you can see over here, and I was showing before, these are totally foldable, super nice and easy, so you can just fold them as you please. So you can put them in storage easily, really easy. They're not heavy at all, but they are strong. They have a really nice strong metal frame, and also, as I was telling before as well, this really nice elastic mesh, breathable mesh, so you're not gonna have any issues with this one getting stained or something like that because it has a really nice mesh. And of course, being foldable and having a set of 4, this can be really convenient to have 1 or 2 sets of this one when you're getting a family or friends visiting or something like that, and making sure that you have enough chairs for everyone. Last but not least, with a little bit of a closer look, again, the mesh right here, elastic, firm, 220 pounds, black color, set of 4 metal frames, and of course, super convenient to have. They are totally foldable. I like these chairs. I do recommend. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.